For this lesson, we're going to create some new layers. Currently, your default layer is 0. There is also, if you select the down triangle, a layer called def points. The 0 layer being your default layer, we want to make more to be able to turn off, freeze, lock specific areas of a home. For our landscape drawing, we're going to make different layers to have different colors, and we'll be able to turn off trees, pavement, and so on. Select the layer properties, which is in the upper left of the layers ribbon. To create a new layer, across the top, you're going to see 3 stacks of what look like paper or layers and a little spark or sun in the lower right corner. That's your new layer icon. If I single left click on that new layer icon, you can see it automatically gives me the name Layer 1 and a flashing cursor next to it. Since it's already highlighted, I'm going to select the caps lock key on the keyboard and start typing in the abbreviation for building, BLDG. The other part we want to worry about is the color. Instead of white, to give a differentiation on our landscape drawing, we're going to select green and select OK. We're going to continue this process and create other layers. So we are going to select the new layer icon again, and for our next layer, we're going to type in the word wood, W-O-O-D. We're going to select the color box, and we're going to select dark blue. Dark blue might be difficult to see on the black background, so sometimes we might have to change that. Select OK. Select New, and we'll abbreviate concrete by typing in C-O-N-C. We'll select the color box and select cyan, which is the light blue color, and select OK. Select new layer icon again. We're going to abbreviate pavement, P-A-V. Select the color box and select red. Select OK. Select the new layer. The next layer, we're going to type in tree, T-R-E-E, and change it back to white. Select OK. Our last color, our last layer, if we select a new layer and type in an abbreviation, TXT for text, select the color box and select magenta. Select OK. You've now set up layers. There is no save button or anything. What you need to do is just close the layer property manager by simply hitting the X in the upper left corner. You'll see now that you've set up layers. Every single time you'd like to draw on a specific layer, you select that layer to draw on. For our next lesson, we're going to change to our building layer. We're going to drop down into our layer properties, and we're just going to simply do a single left click on building to activate that layer. Everything that we draw on the building layer will be green and will be specifically on that layer. Before we move on to the next lesson, we always want to make sure we save our drawing. We're going to drop down with the big red A, select Save As. Make sure you remember where your path is. My path is still currently on my desktop screen as landscape. I'm going to simply select Save and override the existing drawing because I did do more work. Yes.